Tell a girl say, girl you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl you them girl then I'm pretty in a real life. You're pretty from the gram, you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good, say, them girl then I'm pretty in a real life. You're pretty from the gram, you're pretty in a.
Oh, what's going on, people? What go on? You don't know, say me there. What go on? What's going on? That's all people what go on, what's going on. But anyway, let's jump right into this. I just want this to be a simple and easy video for you guys. So today I'm gonna review a product that I actually fall in love with right now. You know, it's the charcoal powder. I bought the charcoal powder from Amazon and I actually got a good deal on it at the time. It was on sale. So this is how it look. Let me just jump right into it because I waste no time. So this is how it look if the camera would focus. So this brand is called Aim Naturals, and I've used product from this brand already. I try to go natural as I can, and this is a good brand, and it's actually made in Canada. So you know that's even good, right? Because a lot of time, you know, we're buying stuff and pretty much all of them are coming from the States. So this one was made, this is a product of Canada. So if you want to check it out, I'm going to put the link below, the Amazon link below in the description. And I paid $14.97 for it. At the time it was on sale. Originally, I think when I went back on Amazon recently, it went up to $16.99. But it is a good product. What I mean it good, it turn up it good. I'm not gonna have camera focus. But anyway, yes, it good, and me use it about 3 times now. About 3 weeks now I use it, and I don't use it every day. Me use it once per week. So just imagine if I was using it more than that, right? So me did me look of cleansing today. Me do me look of brush teeth with me activated charcoal, and trust me, my teeth feel good. It feel I tell you, it feel shiny right now. You feel shiny. Tell me, you know, like, come on, man, like, yeah. Let's see if we can go up so, cause here you can see it. Go closer if there's something here. Focus. I know why all of a sudden it's a get problem. You know what I mean? You be the judge. Tell me. Yo, I know my teeth crooked, but come on. You know what I mean? It's white and it clean and it feel clean too. You know what I mean? So with the charcoal, I'm gonna show you how it look inside. But before that, let me tell you what is on here. Natural. So it's from Aim Naturals. Natural teeth whitening, whitens teeth, freshens breath. Well, I never said that part there, freshens breath, but protects teeth, removes plaque. So you have to be careful when you open it because it's loose powder, so you have to be very careful. And when you're brushing your teeth with it, you have to be very careful because it's messy, you know, and it's black. So let's open it. I'm sure the camera now focus, man. So with this product, it also come with a toothbrush. They gave me a free toothbrush with it. So it's a bamboo toothbrush, and the toothbrush is really soft. It's 100. Them say it's 100%. If this will show, 100% bamboo. That's what they said. So hopefully it is. So this is all. I'm gonna show you all the bamboo look. Don't worry what it means today, so it's a little bit wet. So this is how the bamboo look, and it's pretty soft. So I'm just take it out and just put it into a protected cover, because I always like to put my things in a protected cover. So I just put it in one of these toothbrush cover. So with the charcoal, the ingredients, it says premium raw 100% pure natural coconut charcoal powder, food grade and completely safe for oral use, free from all chemicals, including the one big word we can't pronounce, but I'll put the name right here. And it's 100% vegan and it's 100% vegan. That is good for your gums and teeth. It polishes teeth, removes plaque, freshens breath, and whitens teeth. No hardwood material used to keep gums healthy. So they recommend, the directions on here, they recommend using teeth whitening. Mix half teaspoon of powder with a few drops of water to make a thick paste. Used daily prior to brushing routine for optimal stain removal and teeth whitening. We suggest a separate toothbrush when using charcoal. So that's the reason why they gave us the 100% bamboo toothbrush to use it separately. So I use the bamboo toothbrush, brush and blah 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 with the charcoal, and then what I do after that is that I use my regular toothbrush with, you know, toothpaste and just brush it to kind of get off the stain. Also, the next thing is because, you know, because of the creases between the teeth and stuff like that, I do use a floss to go between there so I don't have block, you know, in between, and people feel like they probably have food in there, stay up in there for how long and make it dirt, you know, get so bad. But no, that's what I do. I use the floss, go between the teeth and clean, make sure I clean out all of that. So as they said on here on the directions, you can use it once per day. I don't, not yet at least, because, you know, I was testing it to see if there's anything that would, you know, kick off a reaction to me. To be on the safe side, I only have been using it for only 3 times in the past 3 weeks. So once per week for the last 3 weeks, and I've seen good results. So just imagine when I start using it once per day, or probably once per every other day. You can choose when to use it actually. Oh, all right, so it seems like I can do more than one thing. So deep cleansing mask, 100% pure natural charcoal powder, may also be used as a deep cleansing face mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of powder with a few drops of water to create a thick paste. Apply evenly and let dry for 10 minutes. Wash with face cleanser. I did not see this. I only thought it was just for my teeth. So now I'm definitely going to try it after seeing, you know, because I didn't have any reaction to it, any bad reaction or anything. So I'm definitely going to try it as a face cleanser and see how it also work, and then maybe do a review about that. So basically you have a product that is 2 in 1, you know. It's not a plus. So like, come on, like, you know, you see me before, I'm gonna put it right here, my before and after picture, and may I tell you, me love this. This is a good buy. It's not as cheap, but trust me, this is a good buy, and it's a reasonable size container. Let me show you my phone beside it. So it's basically half of my phone. Yeah, and I have a iPhone Plus, right? So it's about half of my phone. So it's a good container. So let me show you how it looks on the inside. So I have to be very careful. So the powder inside, see if I can show it to me. Oh, some drop on my finger. Yeah, so the powder inside is obviously black. It look like powder, like baby powder, but it's black. It doesn't have any taste. It doesn't have any odor, which is a good thing. So basically it's odorless, and it's charcoal, and it's tasteless. So it's good. But as I said, good review. Definitely 2 thumbs up for this. Me can't do it. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up for this for sure. So drop on my hand. It's pretty messy. Sometimes you have to make sure you be careful. But it's definitely a thumbs up for this product. If you want to try it, my link will be into the description below, the Amazon link, for you to try it, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. So yeah, man, try it, man. If you want, you know, if you don't want to go to a dentist to get your teeth whitened or whatever, you just want to just do it from home and try a, you know, easier and simpler way, try this. Try the charcoal. And this brand of charcoal is pretty good, and you will see all of the reviews on Amazon as well. I think it has almost 2,000 reviews right now. So, and they're positive reviews. So definitely check it out, guys. So this is all I have for today. Thank you for watching. No worry about me tie up. You know, so today is just like a regular, you know, cleanse type of day for me. On the weekend, me mostly to do my cleansing and stuff like that, you know. I did have some few spots. I'm gonna do a video for show you how I get rid of them spot here. And because because of the PCOS, I have ingrown nail with ingrown nail, Lord Jesus. We have ingrown ear. Me not edit out that. We have ingrown ear. Here they keep on a bother me. So because they keep on put them out and stuff like that, may get bump and then them change color into black, so may have to constantly be using a few things, and then me get, you know, couple bumps now and then on my face, and then leave dark spots. So may have something that me use to get rid of them. So I'll do that in the next video to show you what I do and what I use to get rid of them. But yeah, so this video is all about my review about my activated charcoal for whitening my teeth, and I love it. What me mean, say me love it, people. So go and get yourself one if you want to try something like this. It has no taste, so go get yourself one. And remember, if you have not subscribed, do that now. Do that. I don't know where I wait for, but yes, thank you for checking out my video. Hope to see you in my next one. Until me see you again later, me out.
Walk out, tell you not to try hard. Them girls